Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video of Python programming course, and this video is gonna be a shorter video because in this video we are gonna study operators in Python. We know operators like plus, subtract, division, multiplication. These are normal operators we all know, but there are some unfamiliar operators which we need to study in Python. So let's get started without wasting any other time. Okay. So let's get started with the operators. I've already done the setup, as you know, because you are following my playlist. Also, if you are not following the playlist, please go to my channel and please watch the playlist from beginning. Okay, then you will come to know that how to launch Visual Studio Code and what are the methods of launching it. Okay, and what methods are for creating a file. Okay. Now I've created a file class5.py. Now we know to add any two numbers. Let me snooze this. We know that let's create a variable a is equal to 34, b is equal to 32. Let's make it easy, 30. So we know to add both of them, we use the operator which is plus, which is simple plus. Print a plus b. Let me run this. So definitely I'm getting the sum of both the numbers, which is 64. Okay, because both are integers and we are getting the sum of it. Now print subtract. So the sign of subtraction is simple in normal life and normal mathematics. Also it's a line, so it's also similar in Python also. No difference. A minus b, which is 4. Okay, 34 minus 30 is 4. Okay, the sign of multiplication, the operator, which means from now on the sign which we call signs are known as operators in Python. Not in Python, just Python. In overall mathematics we call them operators. Okay, and the number in on which we are performing the operation are known as operands. Okay, now let me first clear this thing. There are three things: operation, operand, operator. Okay, now three things are happening here: a plus b. Let's take this as an example. Okay, now here operation overall, if we watch it from an eagle eye, then overall operation is happening. Okay, operation is happening. And in this operation, operand, what is operand? The numbers on which we are performing the operation. The numbers, I'm repeating, the numbers on which we are performing the operation are known as operand. Okay, that means here we are using variables. Okay, we are not directly using numbers. So here a and b are known as operand. Okay, a and b are operands. Okay, a and b are operands. Got it? Operation is going on, a and b are operands. Now what is operator? The sign, which whatever sign we are using in the middle is known as operator. Okay, here what is the operator? Plus sign, plus sign. Sorry for my writing, my typing is not good. Okay, sign plus sign is the operator. Okay, now I hope you understood the difference between operation, operand, and operator. So there are three things when we are performing any operation. These are three things, these concepts, or you can consider these are keywords, okay, in programming. So don't get confused after this. If you haven't understood this, you can go a little back in the video. You'll definitely understand these three keywords, okay, because these are really important. Because whenever you are reading an article, anything, any other video you are watching, so the programmers are using these three keywords, okay. Got it? So let's move on. In Python we studied plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, multiply, okay. In mathematics we use a x like this, okay, but in programming we are using static for multiplication. So don't get confused and don't put x here, okay. In to multiply we use a static. Slash is for divide, okay. Double slash is also for divide. And what's the difference between them? Let's see. What's the difference between single slash and double slash? Let's say print 3 divided by 2. Run this. Let me comment out to avoid any confusion. Let me comment out this. Okay, let's run it again. Let me clear my terminal also. Let's run this again. 5.py. Sorry, Python 5.py. Okay, I'm getting 1.5. This is the answer. Yeah, it is, because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. But what is happening if we are using double slash? Let's see the difference. Oh, 1. The difference between these two operators you notice here is that in single slash you got a number with a point, okay, a number with a point, which is a float number, and in double slash you are getting a single number. That simply means that when you use a single slash, you'll get your output as a float, and when you're using double slash, you'll get your output as an integer. Got it? So it's nothing it's doing here, it's just rounding off the number, actual number, to the base number, okay, which is closer, because one, it will not round it to 2, okay, always remember. It will just remove the point and the number after that decimal point. Got it? Now it will just show you the first number, okay. If I say print 5 divided by double slash 2, so it should be 2.5, right? Now I hope you know the answer. It's 2. Got it? So it will not round up, it will round down, okay. Better to understand that it will just take the first number, okay. Don't understand in that way that it is doing, whether it is going to do the round up or round down. No, don't understand in that way. Simply understand that it will pick the number without the decimal point, okay. The actual answer is 2.5, but it picked the number 2. Got it? This is the difference between single slash and double slash. Let me write it here. Single slash is for dividing the divide, a bracket, answer in float, answer in integer. I hope you got the point of all the operators which we are using here. Now let's move on towards the unfamiliar operators. Number 1, This operate percentage. It's a percentage. In normal life, in calculators also, this is a percentage. But in Python, this not called as percentage. It's known as modulo. Okay, modulo. Strange, right? Yeah. The word is a little bit strange, yeah, but it is. Your mind, I know your mind will not accept that this is a percentage sign. How can I call this a modulo? But with time, you will understand that your mind will get used to it. That this is a modulo in Python, and in real life, this is a percentage sign. What is the function of this modulo? Do you remember when we divide something, there is a remainder, there is a quotient, and there is a divisor. There are three things in mathematics. Also, we don't worry. This is not a difficult, right? We are studying. We have studied all these concepts in a primary school. So, these are concepts of primary school, and we are revising it again. We are not studying it newly. Okay, we are just revising it. Quotient, divisor, and remainder. Quotient was the answer. Yeah, it was the answer. No, sorry, we are remainder. We have to focus on the remainder. What is the remainder? The name itself is the remain. The remain of the dividing is known as the remainder. Okay, whatever two numbers we divide, the number which is left after the subtraction is known as the remainder. So what modulo is the remainder. Modulo gives me the remainder of whenever we divide two numbers. Okay, if we divide 3 by 2, what is the remainder? 1, right? Let's see. Print 3 divided by 2, but here I don't use the divide sign because I want the remainder, so I use the percentage 2. Okay, let me comment out the other one. I just want to see this output. 1. Got it? I'm getting 1 here. Let me clear this and run this again also so you can see it better properly. Okay, I'm getting 1 here. Recording going on. Okay, 13. I hope you understood what is the modulo. Okay, it just returns me the remainder. Okay, the remainder between two numbers. When we divide two numbers, the remainder it is returning me. Next operator. Let's say I want to do like this. A is equals to, I've assigned A above, right? I don't want to use that again. Let's create a variable A is equals to 10. Okay. Now I want to add 1 in A. How can I do? And assign it back to the variable. So I can simply write A is equals to A plus 1. Am I right? Yes. Because I want to add 1 inside A, so I'm simply doing A plus 1 and I'm putting that value again in the variable, same variable. Got it? If I print A, I'll get 11. Okay, I'm getting 11 here. Is there any better way to do it? Because in programming, we get away from repeating tasks. We don't love repetition in programming. We try to create new things. we create different things in programming just to avoid repetition in our code. Here is the repetition. I am writing a is equals to a plus 1. I am writing a is equals to a plus 1. Did you notice anything? The point here is that I am writing a two times in just one line. A is equals to a plus 1. So in this line, I am writing a two times. So here is the repetition. I want to avoid this repetition. So here comes the Python operator, which is the best operator. So instead of writing a is equals to a plus 1, I can write plus equals to 1. Amazed, right? Take your time. Take your time. I know this is really odd. This is a really odd operator, right? I hope you are not familiar with these kind of operators, because that's why I have given the topic name is as unfamiliar operators. You are not familiar with these operators. Okay. What is it doing? This is equals to a plus 1. So this operator will add 1 in this variable and assign it back to this variable. So both are these codes doing the same thing. Just the difference is that here I'm not getting any repetition and here I am repeating a. Got it? Try it by yourself, you'll understand it. Okay, both are doing the same. I can also do it like this: a minus equals to 1. So it is similar to a minus 1. I can also do like this: a multiply equals to 1. Not 1. I can change it to 2. So it is similar to a multiplied by 2. Got it? So I can do with plus, subtract, multiplication. Okay. Can I do divide also? That is your work. Try it by yourself and comment out below that is this possible. Can we do with divide also, like slash equals to? Can we do like this? Or we use the double slash equals to? Try it by yourself. You'll definitely understand it, because this is not this is not a difficult task. This is just a simple code. I'll definitely share this code with you, and you can just and my recommendation always for you all is that open one window of VS Code, one window of my video, code with me. Okay, then you can easily understand all the concepts. Okay, when you'll code with me. So I hope this was today's video. I hope you understood every concept, and so we are good to end the video. Or this video was a bit shorter than other videos, and in the next video we'll move towards other topics. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you liked my video. If your knowledge increased a little bit, let's say if your knowledge was 20% and after watching this video your knowledge moved to 30%, then that's a gain in your knowledge. So if you gain anything, hit the like button, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.